Judo is generally categorized as a modern Japanese martial art which has since evolved into a combat and Olympic sport. The sport was created in 1882 by Jigoro Kano as a physical, mental, and moral pedagogy in Japan, and he is also known as the father of Judo, Dr. Jigoro Kano. Good morning, students. I welcome you to today's GK virtual class. Today, we are going to do page number 138 and 39 of your book, which is related to sports and games. The topic is the zest for judo. Let's do. Before starting the topic, let's see the learning outcomes. After the completion of this topic, students, you will be able to identify the important requirements for judo game. You will be able to write the name of the sport after reading the detailed given. You will be able to know many things, many requisites of judo game. In part A, we are going to observe the mat carefully. We have to number the appropriate thing. Let's see. The first one is the referee. Second one is the opponent. Third one again opponent. Fourth one is the corner judge. Fifth one is corner judge, and the sixth one is the danger area. Part B, we are having some hints and we have to complete the blanks to form the correct answer. The first hint is the pre-arranged technique of judo are called katas. Second one, the traditional form of unarmed combat developed by Japanese warriors was jiu-jitsu. Third one, the training hall for judo is called dojo. Fourth one, ippon or the highest score in judo equals to 10 points. Fifth one, koka or the lowest score in judo equals to 3 points. Sixth one, judo learners are called judoko. Seventh one, Dan in judo stands for the grades of a master. Eighth one, the world governing body for judo IJF stands for International Judo Federation. C part, we have to arrange the color of the belts as given for judo in proper order from beginners to expert. Beginner starts from 1, that is white belt, second yellow belt, third orange belt, fourth green belt, fifth blue belt, sixth brown belt, and the expert belt, that is black belt, is given to the expert player in judo. Kids, I told you by the end of this video you will be able to identify the important requirements or requisites for judo game. Now I have one question for you to answer. You have to name the types of judo techniques. I'm repeating the question. What are the main types of judo techniques? Thank you and have a wonderful day.